Hindi nabubuhay yung tao sa tinapay lang. So, learn to circumscribe your desires. Kumbaga, limit mo lang yung sarili mo. Hanggang doon lang sa kaya, hindi kailangang madaliin ang lahat. There will always be a right time for everything.
Into the light, breaking all the chains of pain to seek what's mine. My time has come, and I'm here to shine. All stars align, I'm here to claim what's mine.
Bagay na bagay naman yung name, it-name namin sa kanya na combination nung sa yung Arky, galing sa kay dada niya, and then yung sa Yana naman kasi ano yun, graceful, grateful, and baga brave and strong na bata.
Happy birthday, Arky! Happy 18th birthday! Happy birthday, Arkiana!
My time has come.
So, Arkiana is our youngest. After 6 years na gap nila, nag-baby kami ulit. And I was very happy nung malaman ko na babae na.
5 months pa lang, yun na, gusto niyang lumabas. Kaya 3 months akong bed rest, as in complete bed rest. Hanggang sa mahintay namin na, yan na, finally, may baby Arkiana na kami.
This is the moment. Everything changes. We'll never be the same.
Daddy's little girl talaga yan. Kumbaga, simula't simula. Kaya nga, sa sobrang excited ni dada niya, na sa paglabas niya, ayun, maaga pa lang after lunch, siguro, dala-dala na niya yung video cam.
So, during the delivery, I planned na kunan siya ng video habang lumalabas. Kaya lang sa sobrang bait niya, ilang minuto lang, lumabas na. Hindi ko na nakunan ng video, hindi na ako nasabihan ng mga nurses.
Feel the light rushing in. This is the beginning.
Happy birthday, Arkiana. Tata ni Sharky. Happy 18th birthday. Sana matupad mo ang mga dreams and mga aspirations mo sa life. Nandito lang si Kuya para mag-support palagi. Kahit ano namang gusto mo, nakasupport lang ako palagi. Alam mo naman yan.
Makakalimutan sa kanya yung siguro mga 2 years old or 3. Super kulit siya na nasa kantin kami. Pero napakabait niyang bata. Napakalambing. Sana huwag kang magbabago.
Happy birthday, Yana! Sana maging mabait ka. Dapat makatawas muna bago magpaligaw, ano?
Arkiana P. Garcia, Certified Junior Receiver. Happy birthday, Arkiana!
Simula sa paglilihi, wala na talaga akong naging problema dyan kay Yana. As in, napaka-swabe. Wala nung mga morning sickness.
Growing up, napakabait niya. As a toddler, natutulog ako na nasasandayan ko na siya. And parati papatulog ko is yung pag minamassage niya yung paa.
Super daddy's daddy's girl. Kaya nga minsan, yun, kahit konting request, kung ano man request niya, lagi na lang niyang sinusunod.
We go. Watch me as I fly away. Off we go. Sorry that I couldn't stay, but this life to be lived, and the world doesn't wait. So off we go. And I'll
Continue on what you're doing. Always be the best of whatever you are. Sure ako si Papa Jun mo tuwang-tuwa sa'yo up there.
Hindi talaga lagi tayo tama. Minsan, tama ang parents. Hindi minsan pala, kadalasan. Pero syempre, bilang journey mo yan, experience mo lang yung journey mo. Lalo na sa ngayong 18 ka na.
Always be humble. At iwasan na yung pagiging loner na laging nasa room lang. Enjoyin mo ang kabataan mo. Lumabas ka naman paminsan-minsan.
we're at the edge, is when we're almost there. If we just try, off we go. Watch me as I fly away. Off we
Ngayon na 18th celebration, my only wish for her is to continue studying hard kasi she's now building her future.
Enjoy life, enjoy being young, mag-aral ng mabuti, and then maging safe and surround yourself with the persons who care and bring out the best in you.
Always remember that although she's now a lady, whenever there are challenges, we are always here as her family. She can always come home to the warm embrace of her dada. Anak, happy 18th birthday. We love you.